So let's just use the hypothetical, like you said, $10,000 account, right?
Mhm.
Are you putting? I mean, and everybody's going to be different, but like I typically don't like to risk more than 1% of my account at any given time when I'm trading.
Mhm.
So I try to size my whatever my contract size or my position size, knowing that worst case scenario, let's say I'm going to lose 5% based on my stop loss, right?
Yeah.
My 5% can't exceed more than 1% of the entire account for that one trade.
Yeah.
It's just
So
kind of my own like rule with the way I trade spreads. But I'm curious with you, you know, are you doing multiple positions at one time? Are you looking at that or not?
so yeah. So you're gonna like the answer, I guess. So I don't do any percentages with that. I hate that. I hate all that because for most people it just overcomplicates the shit out of it.
Right.
Right. As you can imagine, as my thing is so simple with it. So to put it in reference, because I actually did this earlier. So as an example, where's the zone reversal confirmation entry? Yeah. So let's just say, again, from an example perspective, if we entered here, because there's a play technically, right? It gives us a major demand zone reversal confirmation entry. So there's
Right.
an entry here. So with that being said, with the way the strategy works, the quote unquote percentage or the risk management is built into it anyway. So with that being said, similar like I did earlier, if it's up here, and let's just say your stop loss is just the top of the green zone here, just
Mm-hmm.
from that perspective, that's how much you're hypothetically going to lose, as long as you also set a actual target take profit area, which is going to be your next zone. And the next zone that I already drew was up here, and we'll just say it's the bottom. That's how much you're willing to lose versus how much you're willing to gain. So with that being said, if this candle is higher, then you're willing to lose more. Maybe you don't enter the trade. If this candle's lower, cool, you have less to lose, right? So forget the percentages. It's just that. So with that being said, on top of that anyway, um, I mean you're in the middle, like that basically means that whatever money is in the trade, let's say you put, I don't know, $3,000 in a trade, if it goes down to this, you're not gonna lose 3 grand, obviously, right? I don't know what the
Right.
percentage, I don't know what it is, but it's just based off of price action. Like where is the low, quote unquote, that's recently there? And then that's what you're risking,
Mm-hmm.
not this arbitrary percent, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm just thinking on terms of like, because I have to limit myself. I don't want to be, like I would say, okay, well, let me put 5 or 10 or 15 contracts on this position. Um, I guess I'm just trying to limit my loss.
If
Uh,
you if you follow the rules, at least of how it is,
yeah,
you're already limiting your losses.
yeah, yeah,
Just
yeah.
based off how this is anyway.
If I could just chip in, I guess the way I look at it is I want to be using the money I can afford to lose anyways.
Hmm.
So it doesn't really matter.
Yep,
You're just playing the numbers game now. It's just
exactly.
if it starts spiking, you get it. Hey, great. If it goes south, just get out, and you still got money you can still lose or win with. So the money I'm playing with is money. If I lost now, doesn't affect my life.
100%. And then to even extend on that further, let's just say let's say with the whole 2% thing. I don't know where to be, but let's just say 2% is, hell, I don't know, down here. I don't know where the hell it'd be. And the entry's up here, maybe 2%, or not 2%, sorry. I don't know, whatever the percent you want to pick, and it's down here. I mean, why would you have that? It means you're kind of contradicting yourself. You're saying, well, my stop loss is here, but well, technically it's my X percent that I arbitrarily, to be honestly, picked. Then it's down here. But then where the hell do you stop out at? Then you give it a little more wiggle room. Then it starts, since it went lower, then it's, of course, what's typically going to happen. You see a nice green candle that starts coming up. And you're like, okay, well, actually, it might come back up. It's about to kill it. But
Yeah.
then you don't realize that, okay, well, it tapped the zone. And then this giant ass red candle comes down.
Become
Wait a
supply.
second. Yeah, exactly.
Uh,
So you're trading the reversal.
yeah.
Then you're screwed. And then you lost from this to there. And I'm saying this out of just the fact that I've done it numerous times. So yeah, trade the strategy. Don't trade percents. You trade the hardest. Some of the people that struggle with this have been people. I've had 2 accountants that joined the program. They've struggled the most because they're too math oriented. Uh,
Analytical. Yeah.
exactly.